Hi, today I want to talk about how to integrate Google Sheets with your CibiChat. I have a quick demo here that I've created. This is just a clone. It's a restaurant application, very straightforward. Asks if you want to have a coupon, asks you for your name, then asks if you want to go email or SMS, asks you for your email address or your phone number. Pretty straightforward, simple flow. We'll jump out of that. Now we'll go into the settings. For settings, what we want to do is we have two features, there are two items to configure. One is the sheet ID and one is the script URL. So let's jump into Google Drive and we'll create a new Google Sheet. We're going to call this one a demo bot, very creative. And now we want to grab this URL, jump back to the bot. We'll paste that into the sheet ID. Now, the sheet ID, what you want to do is to grab everything after the sheet's D and then before the edit. So we want to get rid of everything before this slash. We want to get everything from the slash back. So if you have problems with your sheet ID, if it's not looking like it's integrating, it may be because you removed an extra character from the front or the end of the string, but we just need that one Google Sheet ID. Next thing we need is the script URL. So the script URL, we will go back into the spreadsheet, jump to extensions, app script, and we have an app script. This looks a little intimidating because it is programming, but we don't have to worry about that. So we will take from this curly brace function and we'll remove everything out of here. Let's call this also a demo bot. And now we'll jump back to the CibiChat and we'll get this script. Here we want to copy everything from function down to the curly brace. Copy that, go back to the script, and we'll paste that in. So again, we want to, let's jump up here, function to an end curly brace. And we can even remove that last line there. That is all we're going to need. We can save this, and then we'll deploy it. This is going to be a new deployment, and we will also go into how we want to deploy it. This is a type of a web app using this little icon. Select web app. We'll also call this a demo bot. We can leave the execute as yourself, but here who has access, we want to say anyone. This is access to this particular script and not the spreadsheet itself. This is just allowing the bot to run this script, which is going to format the data and insert it into this sheet. We'll do a deploy. Next thing it's going to ask is to authorize. Take a few seconds here. We'll authorize, select myself, we'll allow. This will come back with some configuration information. So we have a new deployment. What we want to do is go down to the web app, look at the URL, and copy that. Jump back to the chatbot. We can close this, and we'll just paste that into the URL script. That is everything we need to do. We can save that. Jump back into the widget. Now here, the last thing we need to do on the script, we can close this out. We won't need it anymore. We're back to the spreadsheet itself. So now let's do a demo. We'll jump into the test of the bot itself. Asks you for a name. We'll enter that. Now it's going to ask if you want to via email or script or SMS. So we'll do an email. Asks for an email. Since this is just a demo, I'll put in a fake one at email.com. Again, for emails with CibiChat, as long as you have an @ sign and a period, it's going to think it's a formal, real email address. So we can just say that. And now it will say thanks. It's going to send it out. So we look into the responses here. We see that it is recorded the name, your choice of an email, a demo, and a date it was recorded. We jump over to the spreadsheet, instantly updated. It says that your name, your choice, send it to, and the time it was recorded. That is all that's required to configure a CibiChat Google Sheets integration. Thanks.